Start it off.
Yo, welcome to another review on Elevator Talk. This is your boy Gav.
HB. So today we pretty much got it's March Madness, ironically. So we got the UNC Jordan 5s. So previously we got the Michigans. We had the Oregons, which we have here as well too.
Okay.
So these pretty much fall into the whole collegiate colorways. So let's open them up. Well, let's start with a box for sure. So as you can see, we got the baby blue box. And it got like a baby blue cement print on the outside. Everything else the same on the inside. Regular Jordan 5 box.
These is fire.
So here we have it, the Jordan 5 UNC. I mean, to me, they're pretty clean colorway. They pretty much have very similar color blocking and materials to like the Oregons.
These is fire, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm fucking with the inside. They got the is it not quilted inside? Is what is like a pattern.
Yeah. And it's the same one they use on the Oregon too.
Okay.
So pretty much on these we got I guess it's like a suade nubuck, like a nubuck upper, a baby blue nubuck, UNC blue. We got the inside with the quilted lining. We got a gray 3M tongue. On the bottom is like a black. It's almost like a two-tone black kind of thing, like towards the back. Like towards the back right here is almost like a matte black if you look, and at the bottom it's kind of glossy, little detail. But if you also look behind the tongue, one side says heart. I believe it this side.
And this one says soul.
Yep. So one side said heart, the other says soul.
No, these are fire. Yeah. I'm fucking with these. Which one you think was better?
So I mean, between the UNCs and the Oregons, I'm gonna definitely go with the UNCs. I do like them a little bit better than the Oregons. It's probably just because the blue though. The green, I like the Oregons too though. The Michigans might be my least favorite out of the three. It'll be Michigan, Oregons, and then I like the UNCs. Pretty much the order they came out, but what you saying?
UNCs look better. I feel like, UNCs look better. Not saying that the Oregons ain't fire.
Yeah, they did switch it up because I believe on the Michigans too, like the tongue is like navy blue instead of black, and the mesh part is navy blue as well. As you can see with these, with the UNCs, a little bit different because the mesh is just like it's not the same color as the tongue.
Okay. I think they should have changed the color of the Jumpman on the.
And that too, like it's all just one color. As you can see, So they changed it up just a little bit.
Yeah, it's fire though.
But besides that, the material is pretty much the same, I would say. Yeah, the material on these is pretty much the same. You still get the tag on the back, the collegiate tag.
I fuck with that tag. On the blue one, it pops more on the blue.
And on these, what it say? We get elevate on the back. Yeah, on both pairs says elevate on the back. So,
nah, these are fire.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, where you putting these?
9.5.
9.5. So why you give them that? What makes them a 9.5?
They're fire. What you want me to give them a 10? The only
They like, all right. Yeah,
I can't really say there's nothing wrong with them, but I just feel like it's too much blue.
Do you think they could have did a different material, like almost like the Raging Bulls, or this suede is better for that?
Oh, if it was like Raging Bulls, those would have been.
I mean, because it's kind of the similar color blocking
If they would have did it at the Raging Bulls, I felt like with
with that kind of suede.
it's supposed to be darker, like a royal blue.
But what? No, I'm just saying. What if they had did that? Do you think it would have been a?
Nah,
So nah.
This one gives it that nice smooth look to it.
Because that's kind of what they did on the Force. The Force kind of got that kind of sway.
Yeah.
I mean, they fire though.
Nah, these are fire.
They.
I mean, out of all three of them, this is the best one. I feel like what makes this shoe, what I really like about this shoe, is that tag in the back that really pops on it.
I don't like the tag.
Why?
I don't like the tag. I feel like it's cool, but we could do it without it. But it's cool.
No.
I mean, now they can't because they got the whole.
Nah, if there was no tag on this, what would be there? Nothing.
Nigga, a Jumpman or
the shit would have been too like
or
plain.
Nike Air.
Nah, yeah,
it would have been better.
If it would have had the Nike swoosh that said Nike, and that the word Nike,
yeah,
or just the swoosh,
the Nike Air. Like,
okay,
that'd be on the back. Well, these don't have them, but yeah, the Nike Air that'd be on the back of some of the fives. Yeah,
nah, those are nice. I like it. The red gives it the little sprinkle on it.
Nah, they cool though.
What you get? What you rating these?
I'll give them a 9. The tag, I'm knocking the tag. For sure.
What?
I'm knocking the tag.
What?
Sure. But besides that, they fire.
Yeah,
they fire.
I'm fucking with these. What was their retail on these?
Damn, whoa. They don't put them on the box no more. I'll say, was it like 210, 220?
Yeah, I'll say like
there's something like that.
Now these bitches probably like what?
Did they put them on there back then? Yep. See, it's funny because back then they retail $225.
Really?
Yeah, the Oregons retail for $225. I think these were like it could have been $225 too, but I think it was $210 or something like that.
Shit. I felt it was like $220.
Yeah, I forgot how much it was when we got them because we got them at Foot Locker. It's fun. Ironically, I got these at the same exact Foot Locker.
That's crazy. Nah, but yeah. Let us know in the comments what you think and how you rate these out of the Michigans and the Oregons. But yeah, these are the best ones out of the 3. I'm giving these 9.5. I fuck with the tag. Keep it going.
And out of all the UNCs, where you putting these? Because we got so far we have a UNC 1. They was the ones like the Chicago colors, but the suede blue with the black check. 2s now. We had the UNC 3s. The 4s. The 5s. And the 6s from last year.
Ooh, I ain't gonna hold you. Nah, the 4's got it.
Oh, you said over the 1s?
Alright.
The 1s and the 6s and the 5s. You getting the 4s.
UNC 1s.
Alright. So I would say for me, the 3s. I'll say the 3s because the 3s the 3s is the one that look like pretty much the closest to the actual UNC on PE. Like that's the closest you're gonna get. So I'll say the 3s at number 1. Number 2, I'm gonna put the 5s because I I like the fours, but I don't like the I hate. I'm cool. I could live with the tag on these because they on the back.
Mm-hmm.
On the fours, they put them right on the tongue, and I hate that part. So I literally hate it on the fours. On the fives, I could live with it. So the fours are number 3 for me, and then number 4 is the sixes.
Yeah, 6 is ass.
Nah, 6 ain't ass.
It's-
6 is kind of fire. I
remember those.
they
Yeah,
like the
nah,
Carmines.
nah.
But blue, those.
You put those last. All right, that's fair. I have to put the 4s over these,
I mean, that's fair, I guess.
and I feel like it was cool. Right? I like. I just like the tag. I like the tag.
I don't like the tag on the 4s, especially.
Nah, the tags on 4s on the tongue is fire.
Nah,
Yeah,
I'll cut that shit off. To be exact, I got the Travises, so I'll be cool. Like,
you're cool.
yeah.
But if the Travis says if you didn't have them, you'll get the
4s, absolutely. I tried to get those.
Okay.
Just so I could wear those more instead.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
Okay.
So what's the order?
All
What's your
right.
order?
So from best to worst or less?
Oh shit! I forgot the ones in mine, right? Cause
Yeah, we put the ones.
Damn, do I think the ones is better than the 6s? I'll put the ones last.
Them 6s was fire.
Just cause I seen how that suede be looking after some time.
I got the 4s. I got the 5s.
4s.
No. I got the 4s. I have the 3s. I have the 5s.
4s, 3s, 5s.
I have
5s at number 3.
I have
Between the 6s and the 1s. Which one's getting the 4th place?
I'm putting Alright, I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna put the 6s, the 5s. and then
Oh,
the
okay.
ones, then the
So
ones.
so you got the 4s at number 1.
Mhm.
Number 2 is the 3s.
Yeah.
Number 3 is the
6.
6s. Number 4 is the 5s, and
Number 1.
the ones is last.
Yeah.
All right, that's cool. That's cool. There you have it.
Let us know y'all order. You know,
Which one do y'all think was better?
I feel like the 6s had the best hype, the biggest hype though.
Nah, these did. No. Either the 3. Well, I don't know. The 4s did too, because the 4 sold out. Them
Nah,
shits-
but the 6s was been talking for like a year and a half before the shit.
yeah,
even
but
dropped.
when it came out, it ain't really do nothing. Even like the 4s when they came out, them shits
Nah,
was,
when
them
the
shits was
4
450.
Yeah,
and they
yeah,
were
okay.
stuck there. Cause I remember I was like, all right, I'm gonna just get them on resale. Hopefully they drop to like 3 something. Them shits ain't never dropped in my size.
Okay.
When the 3s came out, I remember they was like sitting at like 300, and I was being cheap, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait till they get like 290. Shit, them shit just went all. Next time I looked, there's like 400 or 500. So, but yeah, there we have it.
Well, like you said, they have it. We got the UNC 5s. I'm giving them a 9.5. They're a cop. You're giving them a 9. You don't fuck with the tag. I don't know why.
Definitely a cop still. Cop rock, you already know.
Facts.
So there you have it. It's another episode. Elevated Talk. It's your boy HB.
It's your boy Gav.
We out.
We out.